Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. Firstly, you need to open Moto app. Now click on those three lines at the top left corner of it and select Personalize. Over here, you need to tap on Fonts at the top and select the best font style for you by clicking on it. You can check out preview above. When you find the perfect one for you, apply it by tapping on this check mark at the bottom right corner. So when I click and go back, I can see that style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!